So this was how I was called for the installation of 1 horsepower AC. As you can see here, this is here at the market called Alaba Electronics, where you can get your AC, anything electronics, be it your TV. Here I am here. I've gotten the AC. So now this is the AC here. This is the process of me unboxing it. So now this is the complete installation of the 1 horsepower inverter AC. So now I want to use this medium to tell you that I'm a bona fide electrical engineer, a HVAC technician, and a plumber. You all can do well to patronize me. Thank you. God bless you.